having a nice experience. So as a young father, you have to do so many things. When your baby comes home for the first time, you have to do a few things. And I'm planning something. I have to do something to welcome my baby. So I'm going to show you what I do, okay? So when we were kids, we didn't have these machines, and it was so hard to get these balloons filled. But now it's quite easy. Yeah. Takes a second, and it's quite easy. This part's not easy at all, and it hurts. It's too cold. It hurts, and I'm going to, yeah. So pink and white is the combination that I'm going for. Let's see what it looks like, and we will know more. I have a long way to go from here, so I'll be back.
5 hours later.
So I'm almost done. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 are left, and we need to do this. And oh, yes. And now another one. This is hard. Okay. So finally, this is the last one. Okay. And I'm so happy that I'm almost done. No. This part is. Oh, my finger. Finally, we're done. And let me show you what it looks like. Look at this, here and here as well. This part, there's so many. I still have to end this. Yeah, so pinks here, combination here. For now, I'm going to decorate the rooms. I'll show you what the final look is. This is just I'm not going to keep it as it is. So we're going to do something about it. Okay, so see you next in a while.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we've done some things here. So as you can see, this we've done, this, and now we're going to do this. Let me just. Just place it here instead of tying it, but I think we should tie it that side. It should. Okay, this looks all right. Yeah, looks good. And we have another another one that we can place here like this. It could be, yeah, looks good. Huh? Good or bad? Okay, so we're going to tie it here because it was not looking good. Okay, so this is the final part. We're going to light these candles, which are really interesting. Electric. So these ones, we're going to place them here as what do you call it? Walkway, passage? What do you call it? Something like that. Yeah. So this, and my cat seems to enjoy what we're doing here. Yeah. Looks nice here. And yeah, it's not straight. We'll sort that later. and we are going to clean this later on as well, because yes, I can see the paw prints. What we call passage walkthrough. Tell me in the comments what's the word for that. Is this a passage, walk through, walkway? What's the right word for this? Let me know in the comment section so that we're educated on that. One more. Yeah. Okay. So this was the final part, and we will clean this and light them up. Okay, let me show you the final look now. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the decorations. The idea behind this video was that 9 months your wife carries your child, and with all that it entails, these 9 months, if you're a new father, if you're a firstborn, it's very difficult, and especially when it's not a C-section, it's a normal delivery. What a woman goes through to give birth to a child, it's I don't have words to describe that. Such efforts that welcoming them like this, decorating, it doesn't, obviously everybody has their own way, limitations, resources, all of that. The important thing is to acknowledge that you see them, that you see their efforts, that they're special. The idea is to show them you care. It's not about spending money. It's just about letting them know that you see them, their efforts, and what they're doing for you. It's not easy to go through that, change your body in ways, go through all that pain. So as a husband, it's our duty to support our wives and let them know that we care. Thoughtful gestures, big or small, it doesn't have to be big. It can be a small, it can be a gift, a small gift, what you afford. It doesn't have to be big, it has to be thoughtful. You can show your love, your care, your appreciation by writing them a letter, creating a cozy space, or giving them a gift that you think they would like, or something that would mean something to them. And whatever your partner's wife's love language is, speak that language. Try to convey to them that you care and you see them. At the end, I would say it's the thought that counts. Again, I emphasize that a lot. It's not about spending money. It's about that thoughtful gesture. And if this video has inspired you, let us know in the comment section how you've celebrated moments with your families, or what you like about this video, and if you would like to see more of such content. It's all about the idea behind this channel is to empower men to create balanced and fulfilling lives, and taking care of relationships is one part of that. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.